Hi, this is Mikelat from Building Aspirations with a quick tip on your social media marketing success. Visuals are so important. But let me understand, or let you understand from me, let me help you understand that visuals are a lot more than pictures. They could be videos, they could be inspirational quotes, they could be anything that portrays a message in a visual format. Most of us get information, we absorb information visually. So it's an easier way to disseminate your value proposition and demonstrate your unique selling proposition to your target market. But, what are the sizes of the videos, and is quality important? Is color and placement? Right? I'm not a graphic artist. How do I know this stuff? Don't stress about it. Don't worry about it. I help address this anxiety. I help answer this problem in the Social Media Marketing Success Kit. This is 20 hours plus of comprehensive best case strategies on how you could be more successful with your social media marketing. To learn how you can invest in this comprehensive online e-course today and ramp up your social media success, just click on the link in the box below this video or the link that popped up above my head and start down the path to your social media marketing success today. This has been Mikelat with just a quick little tip on the use of visuals in your social media marketing. I thank you for listening.